Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Joe ASMR. In this video, I will guide you breathing awareness relaxation. I will guide you to focus on a state of the breath as you breathe slowly and gently. Let's begin. Throughout this breathing awareness exercise, breathing this way, breathing to the count of 4, hold for a little, and breathing out to count of 6. Just go like it. Breathing in 2, 3, 4, hold. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathing 2, 3, 4, hold. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will depart. Again. Continue to breathe at this slowly. While you are breathing slowly, focus all of your attention on a state. First, notice the breath as it enters your nose. Notice each time you breathe in, the way the breath feels on your nostril. Feel the breath as it passes through your dorsal processes and down behind your throat. Whether the ends connect, feel as time you are inhale, the breath passing down your wide bone. Feel the breath going down. Feel the breath going down. Notice where the air enters your lungs. Allow your breath awareness to deepen the feeling of relaxation you are experiencing. Feel the air expand your lungs with in breath. Feel your lungs expand and relax. Expand and relax. Expand and relax. Notice isolation phase of breathing. Observe as the air leaves your lungs and begin to travel upward. Focus your attention on this moment of each breath. Now, turn your attention to breath travel up and out through your mouth. Feel the breath in your throat, your mouth, and across your lips. Notice this breath as a whole now. See how the breath flows like rain, falling, and then a pause, and down, and then a pause. Notice the pause, this breath between the two. Now, as you relax, you can count your breath as they continue to flow gently. Count 10 breaths. 1, you are finished counting your breath, note how calm and relaxed you see how regular your breathing has become, how calm you breathe. You can continue following this guide. If you fall to sleep, just sleep. Now I will start this guide. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any suggestion, please leave a comment. Let me know. Thank you, thank you, thank you for watching. Thank you. See you in the next video.